Sweet and spicy, Korean fried chicken. Yangnyeom chicken. Boneless chicken. Ground pepper. Minced ginger. 1 teaspoon grated garlic. Mix all ingredients. Salt. Set aside for 15 minutes. Half cup cornstarch. Mix to coat the chicken. Heat oil for deep fry. Coated chicken, drop in medium hot oil. Do not stir for 1 minute. Fry 4 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Remove and set aside. Fry the rest in next batch. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Heat oil again. Drop fried chicken. Fry 2 minutes on high heat. Fry till brown and crispy. Remove and set aside. Korean chili paste gochujang 2 tablespoons. Light soy sauce half tablespoon. 2 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon mustard. 2 tablespoon brown sugar. 2 tablespoon honey. Mix the sauce. Tablespoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. 4 dried red chili cut and deseeded. Stir fry 15 seconds on high heat. Add the sauce made earlier. Add 50 milliliters water. Cook 1 minute on high heat. Add fried chicken. Cook 2 minutes on high heat. Add 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds. Sweet and spicy, Korean. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Renas.